Hi guys, Peter here. Finally printed the models for our project and they look great on their own. That said, it's not what this series is in the end about, so let's do some painting. I prepared 2 sets of white PLA earrings, 4 standard acrylic paints, white and green primers plus matte rust red and metallic blue, and 3 thin brushes and a glass of water. The most important thing when it comes to painting 3D prints is preparing the finish of our prints so it's not completely smooth and glossy, but rather rough. Since we printed these quite quickly and without setting the highest quality, we don't have to sand or rough out any surfaces. That said, when painting with acrylic paints, it's also important to build a very good first layer as a primer. In most cases you would be painting this primer layer in colors like grey or white, but since we already went ahead and printed our earrings in white, we can use green we already want as our main color for the primer. We'll coat the first top side of both sets with our green and let them set for a couple of minutes. Then it's turning them over and doing the second side on both sets. After a couple of minutes, we'll check if the color is already dry and how well paint adheres to our earrings. Since it went rather well, we can just move on and use our second color, rust red, to make the first set of earrings a bit more visually interesting. To make our second set of earrings a bit different, we'll use the metallic blue paint to spruce up our earrings a bit, and then let the paint set for a couple of minutes. Alright, having painted both sides of our both sets with primer green color and then a second color for effect, we have our earrings painted. You can see that even the cheap acrylic paint covers white PLA well, as both of these sets are very evenly painted. Now it's just putting metal earring loops into the holes, and our earrings are done and can be used as a little gift. Alright guys, that will be it for this video. I hope this video series encourages you to further experiment with post-processing and finishing. I still have some ideas for videos about post-processing and finishing in the future, so stay tuned for that. Like this video if you liked it, share it if you found it interesting, and subscribe to see more 3D printing content.